The Goal Power Workshop is not your typical event. I want you to think of it like your launchpad to conquering confidence-boosting goals. This workshop is tailor-made for women like you, ready to define goals that genuinely challenge and ignite their energy. In our time together, we'll delve into the world of goal setting. We'll explore why not all goals are created equal. We'll understand how goals impact our self-confidence, and we'll draw inspiration from the stories of remarkable women. Most importantly, you'll have the opportunity to define a confidence-boosting goal for yourself and chart the first steps towards turning that goal into a reality. So if you're eager to kickstart your journey towards meaningful goals in your life, just enter your name and your email address in the box below. This promises to be your first whole step towards unlocking your fullest potential and diving headfirst into action. As an extra gift, once you sign up for an upcoming Goal Power workshop, this will kick off a series of 4 short emails that will get you thinking about goals and the importance of goals in your life. I hope you enjoy these short videos. I truly look forward to hearing what you think, so be sure to drop me an email. I'm ready to get started. I hope you are too. Drop your name and your email into the box below, and let's let the fun begin.